Suswagatam bhoho Arunachalesmin. Hey all, in this Arunachala or Arunachala Pradesha, Suswagatam. Welcome you all. Su plus Agatam is Suswagatam, end sandhi, U changes to Pa. Arunachalesmin, Arunachale plus Asmin, Purvarupa sandhi. Hey all, welcome to Arunachala Pradesh. This is the meaning of the title. Vidyalayasya Sabhagarah. Vidyalayasya schools, Sabhagarah auditorium. Sabha plus Agaraha, Sabhagaraha. Sabhagaraha, auditorium. Manche, on the stage, Vidyalayasya schools, Pradhanacharyaha. Pradhana Acharyaha, principal. Pradhana plus Acharyaha. Pradhanacharyaha. The principal of the school on the stage. Pradeshasya, of that place, of this place, that is the place Arunachala Pradesha. Paryatanadhikari, tourist officer. Paryatana Adhikari. Paryatana Adhikari. Paryatanadhikari, tourist officer. Kechit Adhyapakaha, Kechit some, Adhyapakaha, teachers. Cha and Upavishtaha Santi are sitting, are seated. Upavishtaha Santi. Paryatanadhikari speaks. Dhvani Vistaraka Yantrasya. Dhvani Vistaraka Yantram is the mic. Near the mic he comes. Dhvani Vistaraka Yantrasya Samipam, near Agatya, having come. He addresses Priya Chhatraha. Priya Chhatraha. Priya plus Chhatraha. Tukagama Sandhi. Dear students, Abhinandanam, welcome, Bhavatam you all, Asmin Pradeshe, in this place. Prasidami, I am happy, yet that, Bhavantaha, you all, Asya Ramyasya Pradeshasya Vishaye, about this beautiful place, Jnatum, to know, Ati Utsukaha, are very curious. Etadartham, for this purpose, Etadartham, Etat plus Artham. Etadartham, for this purpose, for this reason, Sthalanam Darshanaya, Sthalanam, places, Darshanaya, to see, visit, Prabandhaha, arrangement, Api also Vartate, there is. Parantu, but, Samprati, at present, now, Prashnottara Madhyamena, through question and answer session. Prashna plus Uttara. Prashnottara Madhyamena. Through question and answer session. Bhavatam, your Jijnasam, curiosity. Shamayitum, to satisfy. Ichhami, I wish. I wish to satisfy your curiosity by answering your questions. Prathamam, first, aham eva, I only, ekam prashnam pruchhami, ask you a question. Asya pradeshasya nama, name of this place, Arunachalaha, as Arunachalaha, katham jatam, how it became or how it has happened. How somebody has kept the name as Arunachalaha for this place. Katham jatam. Arunachalaha word also can be splitted. Aruna plus Achalaha. Arunachalaha. Anumiyatam. Anumiyatam means guess. Guess how this place has got the name Arunachalaha. He asked the questions. Himamshu, a student by name Himamshu, answers, Aham chintayami, I think, yet that Arunaha, the word Arunaha, Suryasya Paryayah is a synonym of sun. Suryasya Paryayah. Paryayah means synonym. Asya Prakashaha, his light. Surya's light, sun's light. Sarva Prathamam, for first. Imam Pradesham, this place. Sprashati, touches. Ataha, therefore, Arunasya Pradeshaha, place of sun, Aruna, is Arunachalaha, known as Arunachalaha. Probably this is the reason. Himamshuhu answers. Then Paryatanadhikari says, Shobhanam, good. Uchitam Uktam, said well, well said. Uchitam, wells, Uktam is said. Himadrish Tunga Shrungaihi, Himadrihi, Himalayaha, Hima plus Adrihi. Himadrihi. Himadrihi, Himalayas, it's Tunga, tall, Shrungaihi peak. By the tall peaks of Himalayas, Sushobhita, attractive, looking attractive, decorated. Suryodaya Bhumihi Iyam. This is the land of sunrise. Suryodaya. Surya plus Udaya. Suryodaya Bhumihi. Suryodaya Bhumihi Iyam. This is the land of sunrise. Ataha, therefore, Arunachalaha. This is known as Arunachala. Asmin Pradeshe, in this place, Panchashadadhikaha, more than 50. Panchashad plus Adhikaha. Panchashadadhikaha, more than 50 Nadyaha rivers, Pravahanti flow. Vipulacha, Vipula, a lot or vast, vast. Atra here, Vanasampada, forest is very vast here. Vanaushadhinam, of forest medicines or herbal medicines. Vanaushadhinam, Vana plus Aushadhinam. Vanaushadhinam, of forest medicines. Ayam, this is the Srotaha, source. This is the source of Vanaushadhi, are forest medicines, are herbal medicines, medicinal plants. Eva, only. Pushpanam Samruddhihi, flowers, vast availability. In large amount, flowers are available. Samruddhihi means large amount of availability. Sugandhihi, fragrance, cha manoharaha, is very attractive. Sarvatra, everywhere there is haritima, greenery. Shuddha paryavaranena, with pure environment, yuktasya, included, asya pradeshasya, this places, kevalam prakritihi eva na, not only the nature is vividha, of various types, and manohara, attractive, pratyuta, but samskritihi api, the culture of this place is also is very, very different. It is vividha and attractive. The culture of this place also is very attractive and different. Pratyuta means but. Survey, all of them ask, evam, is it so? Asya pradeshasya rajadhani ka. Sudhakaraha, a student by name Sudhakaraha asks, what is the capital town or city of this place or this state? Itanagaram. Itanagaram is the place. Asya pradeshasya rajadhani is the capital of this state. Shyama asks, Mahodaya, sir, atratya janajatinam, of the people, tribal people or people of this area, Kani, what all are the Pramukhani, main Ajivika Sadhanani, sources of livelihood. Ajivika is livelihood, living. Sources of living. Occupations are sources of living. Paryatanadhikari replies, Krishihi, agriculture. Shilpakala, sculpture. Vanasampat, forest. Chaiva, and only Etesham, of the people of this area. Pramukhani, main. Ajivika sadhanani, source of living or livelihood. Chaiva, cha plus eva. Ravihi asks, Manyavara, Mr. Asya Pradeshasya, this places Pramukhaha, main, Utsavaha, festivals are, which are? K, which all are the festival or main festivals of this area? Paryatanadhikari replies, Sadhu Prashtam, you have asked well. Sadhu is well. Prashtam is asked. Atra here, Aneke many Pramukhotsavaha, main festivals. There are many main festival here. Pramukha plus Utsavaha. There are many main festivals of this area. Wangcho Janajati Nam, of Wangcho tribe, Pramukham Parva, main festival is Oriya iti asti, known as Oriya. Wangcho is a tribe. Their Pramukham Parva, main festival is Oriya. Etattu, this one, February isi mase, in the month of February, that is February, Manyate is observed. This is observed in the month of February. Asmin avasare, on this occasion, Krishi Bhumi Pujanam, worshipping the agriculture land, Krishi Bhumi Pujanam. Setu Nirmanam, construction of bridges. Cha Samajikam Karyam, social work, Kriyate, is done. All these kinds of social works are done. Mopina iti api. Mopina, in the name of Mopina. Krishi Parva asti. There is a Krishi Parva. Krishi Parva means agriculture festival. Krishi Parva samasa can be Krishehe Parva. Parva means festival. Krishi Parva asti. Devanam api devaha. God of gods. Mopinaha. Lord Mopina. Iti kathyate. It is believed as said. Holy Sadrisham, like holy festival, eva parva idam. This festival is. Janaha, people, parasparam, on each other's, mukhe, face, kapole, cheeks, shali churnam, rice flour, limpanti, apply. Shali churnam, shalehe churnam. Shali churnam, limpanti. Limpanti means apply. Idam, this, April iti mase, in the month of April, manyate, observed. Onam Parva Samam, similar to Onam festival. Parva Samam, Parvana Samam is Samasa. Similar to Onam, Onam which is observed in Kerala. Onam Parva Samam, Sadakena Ekam Anyat Parvam Asti. There is another festival by name Sadakena. Lama Sampradayasya, Lama custom traditions. Losara iti Pramukham Parva, a main festival by name Losara, api also Faravara iti Mase. In the month of February, Sampadhyate is observed or celebrated. Himamshu asks, Asmabhihi, by us, Mithuna iti Vishaye. About something called Mithuna, api also Kinchit Shrutam. Something was heard. We have heard something about Mithuna. Kim tat? What is that? Paryatanadhikari replies, Mithunaha, Mithuna is Go Mahisha Sadrishaha, similar to cow and buffalo. Go Mahisha Sadrishaha. Gava Mahishena Sadrishaha is Samasa. Go Mahisha Sadrishaha, similar to cow and buffalo. Ekaha one, Vishishtaha special, Raja Pashuhu, royal animal. Asti, a state animal it is. Vayam Shobha asks, Vayam vi atratyanam of this place, Aitihasika sthalanam, historical places, Vishaye, about the historical places, Jnatum ichhamaha, want to know. Aitihasika, itihasa plus thak pratyaha. It's a pratyaya example. About that also we want to listen. Said by Shobha. Paryatanadhikari says, Maya purvameva uktam. I have told before itself, yet that asya pradeshasya of this place, darshaniya sthalanam, about the tourist places are visible, uh, uh, tourist places, places which are suitable for visiting. Darshanaya to see, Visheshaha Prabandhaha, a special arrangement api also asti is. Adhuna tu now vayam vi anena prakshepaka yantrena, with the help of this or through this projector, prakshepaka yantra, prakshepakasya yantraha, prakshepakasya yantram, yantrena. Keshanchit, some sthalanam places, parichayam, introduction, prapsyamaha, will get. Let's get the introduction of some places through this projector. Pashyata, see etat chitram, this picture. He shows a picture and says, look at this picture. Rajivaha says, Kim etat kasyachit durgasya chitram? Is it a place of any, is it a picture of any fort? Fort, Durga. Durga is fort. Durgasya chitram. Yes. Etat Divanga Upatyaka Mandale. This is situated in the district Divanga Upatyaka. Sthitam, situated Bhishmaka Nagara Durgam. Name of the place is Bhishmaka Nagara Durgam. Durgam is fort. Bhishmaka Nagara fort. Asya Avasheshaha. Its remains Arya Kala, Aryans, art, Samskriti, culture, Sampadaha, wealth, Parichayakaha are the introducers of Arya Kala Samskriti. Arya Kala Samskriti means Aryans, art and culture. Adhuna, now, idam chitram pashyata. Look at this picture. He shows another picture and shows this picture. The picture which is there here in the textbook. Shaileshaha asks, Aham janami idam sthanam. I know this place. Idam tu, this is Tavanga Gompa iti prasiddhaha Bauddha Mathaha. This is a place, this is a monastery of Buddhists, which is known as Tavanga Gompa. Bauddhanam Mathaha is the samasa. Bauddhanam Mathaha. Samyak Abhijnatam, well recognized. Manohare, in an attractive, Suramye, beautiful, Tavanga iti sthale, in the place Tavanga, Rajate shines, Ayam Bauddha Mataha, this monastery. Bauddha Bhikshunam, for Buddhist, Bhikshus are monks, Nivasa Yogya, Nivasaya Yogya, suitable for residing. Nivasaya Yogya is samasa. Suitable for staying. Nivasa Yogya, sthali, place is this. Lohita Janapade, in Lohita province or area, api also, Aneka Bauddha Viharaha, many Buddhist monasteries, santi, are there. Nilima asks, Manyavara, Mr. Maya, I, Asya Pradeshasya, this places of this state, Parashurama Kundam, a place by name Parashurama Kundam. Kundam is a pond. Iti Darshaniya Sthala Vishaye, about a tourist place, api also Patitam, read somewhere. Kimidam, what is this? Then he says, yes, Etat Kundam, this pond, to Lohita Nadya, of Lohita river, or from Lohita river, Kinchit Dure, in a short distance, Asti, is. Purvam, before Idam, this was known as Brahma Kundam. This was known as Brahma Kundam. Idam, this Lohita Nadyaha, Lohita rivers, Udgama Sthalam, origin place. Udgama Sthalam, Udgamasya Sthalam, origin place of origin. Iti manyate is considered. Atra here anekani many darshaniyani sthalani, tourist places api also santi there are. Asmakam are Paryatana Vibhagena, tourist department. Paryatanasya Vibhagena. Paryatana Vibhagena, by our tourist department, Paryatana Vibhagena. Prakashita, published, Keshanchit, some Prasiddha Stalanam, famous places, Suchim, list, Patitva, read, and Jnayatam, understand, Imani, these, Paryatana Sthalani, Paryatanasya Sthalani, the places of visiting, Paryatanasya Sthalani, tourist places especially, just traveling places also we can say, Paryatanasya Sthalani. And even Paryatanadhikari also. Paryatanasya or Paryatanaya also we can write. Paryatanasya or Paryatanaya Adhikari. That way samasa can be done. Paryatanasya Adhikari or Paryatanaya Adhikari. So let us understand or know about some of the places. So these are all the places listed. Malini Natha Mandiram, which is situated Paschimi Siyanga district. Bhalukaponga Upakshetram, Purva Kamenga Mandalam, where it is situated. Itanagara Durgam, Itanagaram. Akashi Ganga, Alonge Margaha, Choratena Stupaha, Jamithanga Golakam, Vijayanagara Stupaha, Miyava Golakam, Tamreshwari Mandiram, Rohita Mandalam. Mandalam is district. Shivalinga Guha, Sumbasiri Mandalam, these are all the places. And some are the Abhayaranya. Abhayaranya is wildlife sanctuaries. National forest also we can say. Itanagara Vanyajiva Udyanam, Pakhoyi Vanyajiva Udyanam, Iringa Smaraka Vanyajiva Udyanam. Vanyajiva Udyanam is wildlife sanctuaries. Eagle Nest Vanyajiva Udyanam. Namadafa Rashtriya Udyanam. Rashtriya Udyanam is national forest. Vanyajiva Udyanam is wildlife sanctuary. That's the difference. Survey. Adhuna, now vayam etani sthalani drashtum, to see these places. Utsukaha smaha, are very curious. Pradhanacharyaha, principal says, Shobhanam, well, good. Etesham darshanaya, to see these places or visit these places. Sampurna vyavastha, the complete arrangement is done. Karyakramastu, the karyakrama, the program is sunishchitaha, well planned, or decided, fixed, sunishchitaha. It is fixed. Jalapanat anantaram, after having tea or any soft drink, that is called jalapana. Actual meaning of jalapana is drinking water. In this context, jalapana is having snacks or having some soft drinks. Anantaram, after that, gamishyamaha, let us go. Jalasya panam, jalapanam. That also we can split this way. Jalasya panat. Samasa. Panat becomes panad, anantaram. Just the same. So, gamishyamaha, let's go that way. This is the explanation of this chapter.